What's up, you guys? It's your girl D. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a closure wig reinstallation on my little sister. Yes, this is my little sister. This is your first time seeing her. We're just gonna jump right into this video. These braids were previously done by somebody else that did her hair before, but now I'm just slicking back her edges with some black Got To Be gel. Now I'm going to be blow drying her hair on warm, and this is my sister being dramatic as per usual, but I'm just making sure her edges are dry to get ready for the wig cap. To secure the wig cap, I'm using some Got To Be free spray, and I previously measured out her closure, so I'm only putting it where I know the closure is going to lay. Now I'm going to be blow drying with warm heat to melt the cap in, and then cool heat to let it cool down. Here I'm sewing down her wig cap just to make sure that it stays in place when I cut the excess cap off. And this is optional, you don't really have to do this, but I do it. Now we're going to cut off the rest of the cap, and I'm just making sure that there's no scraggly pieces in the front because we want this wig cap to lay as flat as possible. I'm also going to be applying makeup to match the color of her skin with the wig cap. This wig cap was kind of light, so I just added some makeup, and there you go. So honestly, the free spray just don't be enough for me, at least. If you find that your wig cap is slipping back fast, you might want to glue down your wig cap with your lace glue, and I'm using the Ghost Bond Platinum. This is the moisture control one. I'm not really too sure about how true the moisture control part is, but it works for me at least. And yeah, I'm just going to glue down her wig cap, and as you can see, I'm going in the front a little bit over the wig cap, but I'm going to wipe that off after, and I'm only putting on one layer. Bitches ain't shit. Period! So the hair that I'm going to be installing today is from Celie Hair. It is a 5x5 Brazilian HD closure, and it is 28 inches. This hair is super duper soft. The lace is also super thin, which I really enjoy when it comes to HD frontals and closures. It also comes with 3 clips, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. So yeah, we're just going to be installing this wig. Also, this video is not sponsored, but if any wig companies want to send me some hair, feel free to slide in my emails or slide in my DMs and let me know what's the word. So now I'm going in with my first layer of glue to lay this closure down, and Usually I would do 4 layers, but in this video I did 3 layers since she didn't want to keep it in for too long. But I'm smoothing this out very thin. You don't want your glue to be in clumps. You don't want it to be overflowing on the wig cap. You just want it to be just right, and you want to make sure that you're putting it only where you know your closure is going to lay. Also, before placing your next layer, you want to make sure that each layer is completely dried and clear. As you can see, before I put on every layer, each layer is completely clear. This is so important so that when you go to lay your closure or your frontal down, the lace doesn't turn white and you don't have clumps of glue in your lace. So now I have all my layers of glue down. I'm going to place the closure where I want it to be, and I'm not completely pushing this into her skin yet. I'm just simply placing it where I want it to lay, just in case I need to pick it up. It's not completely stuck down yet. So now that I've placed the lace where I want, I'm going to be using the back of my rat tail comb to push the lace into the glue. And there were already baby hairs on this wig since it was previously installed. So I'm just combing those out and we're going to tie this down. This tie down is just to melt in the lace. I have not done the baby hairs yet. Stay tuned for that part. That's my favorite part. So now I'm going to be taking my handy dandy hot comb, my favorite tool, and I'm going to be pressing out the top of her head. Ladies, please go invest in a hot comb because I don't want to see no lumps and bumps in nobody's wig in 2021. I don't want to see it. Now that I have her lace laid, I'm going to be using the ORS olive oil mousse and some free spray to style her baby hairs. This part is definitely all about your preference. Everybody likes their baby hair styled a little bit different. So yeah, I just play around with the baby hairs for a little while. If I included the whole thing in this, you guys would be sitting here forever because I like my baby hairs looking perfect. But then after I finished her baby hairs, I tied it down and then we are going to style her hair. She wanted some curls today. This was super satisfying for me to edit and watch, so make sure you guys stick around for that.
Oh my god! Wow!
As you guys can see, it's giving straight scalp. Like, are you kidding me right now? Like, is this real life? It's real life. To prevent any flyaways, I'm using my Edge Booster wax stick to slick down any of those little loose hairs. If you tend to get flyaways at the top of your head, definitely invest in a wax stick. They have so many different brands you can choose from or whatever. But now I'm just going to cut off those little pieces on the side of her closure because they were sticking out and it was annoying me. I'm also using some edge control to slick down the sides of her real hair since they are out because this is the closure. And yeah, these are the finishing touches that I'm just doing to her hair to make it look a little bit more perfect. This is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you leave a comment down below. You like and you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.